Today we venture into a world of vibrant colors and bustling life. Beneath the waves, hidden from our everyday sight, lie the coral reefs. These underwater cities teeming with life are as diverse and as important as any rainforest found on land. Join me as we dive deep into these watery realms, exploring the intricate relationships between the creatures that call these reefs home. Get ready to discover some astonishing facts about these underwater ecosystems and the incredible creatures that depend on them for survival. Coral reefs, as we know them, are not simply rocks or plants, as some might believe. They are, in fact, vast colonies of tiny animals called coral polyps. These fascinating creatures, related to sea anemones and jellyfish, are the very architects of these underwater metropolises. Each polyp is incredibly small, often just a few millimeters across. Yet, working together in unison, they secrete a hard calcium carbonate skeleton. Over time, this skeleton grows, layer upon layer, forming the very structure of the reef itself. It is a testament to the power of collective effort in the natural world. Off the coast of Australia lies a natural wonder of such immense scale that it can be seen from space. This is the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on Earth, a vibrant tapestry of life stretching over 2,300 kilometers. Home to an astonishing array of marine life, the Great Barrier Reef is a testament to the biodiversity of our planet. From the smallest of invertebrates to the largest of marine mammals, life here thrives in a delicate balance. Over 400 species of coral, 1,500 species of fish, and countless other invertebrates, plants, and microorganisms call this reef system home. It is a vibrant underwater city, bustling with life. The coral reef is a bustling metropolis teeming with life in a delicate balance. It's a vibrant underwater city where countless species coexist, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's health and stability. And at the heart of this underwater city lies a remarkable partnership, a symbiotic relationship that forms the very foundation of this ecosystem. This partnership is between the coral polyps and the microscopic algae known as zooxanthellae. Coral polyps, the tiny architects of these reefs, share their calcium carbonate homes with these microscopic algae. The polyps build intricate structures that provide shelter and protection, creating a safe environment for the algae to thrive. These algae reside within the coral's tissues, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis. This process is vital as it transforms sunlight into chemical energy, which is then used to produce sugars and other nutrients. This energy, in the form of sugars and other nutrients, is then shared with the coral, providing it with the sustenance it needs to grow and thrive. The coral in turn uses these nutrients to build and expand its calcium carbonate skeleton, which forms the backbone of the reef. In return, the algae receive a safe haven within the coral's protective embrace and access to the essential nutrients they need. The coral's tissues provide a stable environment, shielding the algae from predators and harsh environmental conditions. This intricate partnership between coral and algae is a testament to the power of symbiosis, where two seemingly different organisms come together, each contributing to the other's survival in a delicate dance of mutual benefit. This relationship is not just beneficial but essential for the survival of both partners. Without the algae, the coral would struggle to obtain enough energy to sustain itself, and without the coral, the algae would lack the protection and nutrients they need to survive. The health of the coral reef ecosystem depends on this symbiotic relationship. When the balance is disrupted, such as through environmental stressors like rising sea temperatures or pollution, the entire ecosystem can suffer. Coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel their algae partners due to stress, is a stark reminder of how fragile this relationship can be. Coral bleaching not only affects the corals themselves, but also the myriad of marine life that depends on the reef for food and shelter. The loss of this symbiotic relationship can lead to the decline of the entire reef ecosystem, highlighting the importance of protecting and preserving these delicate partnerships. Conservation efforts are crucial in maintaining the health of coral reefs. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change and other threats to these vital ecosystems. By protecting the symbiotic relationship between coral and algae, we can help ensure the survival of coral reefs and the countless species that depend on them. In conclusion, the symbiotic relationship between coral and algae is a cornerstone of the coral reef ecosystem. It exemplifies the beauty and complexity of nature, where cooperation and mutual benefit create a thriving, vibrant underwater world. By understanding and protecting this relationship, we can help preserve the incredible biodiversity of our oceans for future generations. The coral reefs, as we've seen, are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. These underwater paradises are home to a diverse array of marine species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of the reef. The intricate relationships between these species create a delicate balance that is essential for the reef's survival. However, this delicate balance is increasingly under threat from a variety of human-induced factors. The consequences of these threats can be devastating. One of the most pressing threats facing coral reefs today is coral bleaching, a phenomenon that starkly illustrates the fragility of this symbiotic world. Coral bleaching occurs when corals, despite their robust appearance, become stressed due to changes in their environment. These changes can be caused by a variety of factors, including rising sea temperatures, pollution, and overfishing. When water temperatures rise above the tolerance level of the corals, or when the water quality deteriorates due to pollutants, the symbiotic algae living within the coral's tissues become stressed. These algae, known as zooxanthellae, are crucial for the coral's survival. The zooxanthellae provide the corals with food through photosynthesis and give them their vibrant colors. When the algae are stressed, they are expelled from the coral's tissues, leading to a loss of color and a significant reduction in the coral's food supply. This stress-induced expulsion of algae is what we refer to as coral bleaching. Without the algae, the corals are left devoid of their primary food source and their vibrant colors fade, leaving behind a stark white appearance. The white calcium carbonate skeleton of the coral becomes exposed, making it clear that the coral is in distress. While bleached corals are not immediately dead, they are significantly weakened and more susceptible to disease and other environmental stressors. If the stressor, such as high temperatures or poor water quality, is not removed quickly enough, the coral may not recover. Prolonged stress can lead to the coral starving and eventually dying, leaving behind a ghostly white skeleton. The death of coral reefs has far-reaching consequences for the entire marine ecosystem. Coral reefs provide habitat and shelter for many marine organisms, and their loss can lead to a decline in marine biodiversity. Additionally, coral reefs play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. The loss of these natural barriers can have devastating effects on coastal communities. It is imperative that we take action to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. By reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing pollution, and supporting sustainable fishing practices, we can help ensure the survival of coral reefs for future generations. As we explore the bustling coral city, we encounter a kaleidoscope of colors darting among the coral formations. The parrotfish. These fascinating creatures are not just a visual delight, but also play a pivotal role in the underwater ecosystem. These vibrantly colored fish, with their fused teeth resembling a parrot's beak, play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of the reef. Their beak-like teeth are not just for show. They are specialized tools that allow the parrotfish to nibble on the coral with precision. Parrotfish are herbivores, and their primary food source is algae. Algae can grow rapidly and, if left unchecked, can overwhelm the coral reefs, blocking sunlight and hindering the growth of corals. They spend their days grazing on the reef, scraping away algae that grow on the coral and rocks. This constant grazing helps to keep the algae population in check, ensuring that the corals have enough space and light to grow. This grazing action is essential for preventing algae overgrowth, which can smother and kill corals. By keeping the algae in check, parrotfish help to maintain the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Their beak-like teeth are remarkably efficient tools, allowing them to scrape algae with precision. These teeth are constantly growing, ensuring that the parrotfish can continue their vital work without interruption. As they graze, they also ingest small pieces of coral, sand, and other debris. This might seem harmful, but it actually plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. This material is then ground up in their throats, further contributing to the breakdown of organic matter on the reef. The parrotfish's digestive process helps to create fine sand, which is an important component of the reef structure. The parrotfish's role as a grazer is vital for maintaining the delicate balance between corals and algae, ensuring that corals have the space and resources they need to thrive. Without the parrotfish, the reefs would be overrun by algae, leading to the decline of coral populations and the many species that depend on them. So, the next time you see a parrotfish swimming gracefully among the corals, remember that these colorful grazers are not just beautiful to look at, but are also indispensable caretakers of the reef. Their constant grazing and cleaning help to keep the reef vibrant and healthy, supporting a diverse array of marine life. Thanks to the tireless efforts of the parrotfish, the coral reefs can continue to flourish, providing a home for countless marine species and maintaining the biodiversity of our oceans. The colorful grazers truly are the unsung heroes of the underwater world. The coral reef is not just home to a myriad of fish, but also to these magnificent creatures, sea turtles. These ancient reptiles, with their distinctive shells and graceful movements, are a common sight in these underwater cities. Green turtles, named for the greenish hue of their cartilage rather than their shells, are particularly fond of coral reefs. They are grazers, using their finely serrated beaks to nibble on seagrass and algae. This constant grazing plays a crucial role in the health of the reef. It prevents algae from overgrowing and smothering the corals, ensuring the reef remains a vibrant and diverse ecosystem. But these gentle giants face numerous threats, from entanglement in fishing gear to habitat destruction. Their future, like that of the coral reefs they inhabit, hangs in the balance. Few sights in the coral reef are as enchanting as the symbiotic partnership between clownfish and sea anemones. These seemingly delicate fish have forged an extraordinary alliance with creatures that are anything but harmless. Sea anemones with their venomous tentacles are deadly to most fish, but clownfish have evolved a remarkable immunity to their sting. They secrete a special mucus that prevents the anemone from recognizing them as a threat. This immunity allows the clownfish to seek refuge within the anemone's stinging embrace, safe from predators. In return, the clownfish provide a valuable service to their hosts. They act as diligent cleaners, removing parasites and debris from the anemone's tentacles. They also attract food, their bright colors luring unsuspecting prey into the anemone's deadly trap. The coral reef, a place teeming with life, undergoes a remarkable transformation under the soft glow of the full moon. It is a time for renewal, a time for the corals themselves to reproduce in an event known as coral spawning. As the lunar cycle reaches its peak, corals release a blizzard of tiny, colorful bundles into the water. These bundles contain millions of eggs and sperm, ready to begin their perilous journey. The timing of this mass spawning event is crucial. It is synchronized to coincide with specific tidal and lunar cycles, maximizing the chances of fertilization. The water becomes a swirling soup of life as the gametes from different coral colonies mix and mingle. It is a spectacular display, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The coral city, bustling with life, may seem idyllic, but this delicate balance, like all ecosystems, relies on a delicate dance between predator and prey. And here, amongst the coral, patrol some of the reef's most important inhabitants, the sharks. Reef sharks, with their sleek, streamlined bodies, are perfectly adapted to navigate this labyrinthine world. Their senses, finely tuned, allow them to detect the slightest movement, the faintest electrical signal of a fish hiding amongst the coral. These predators, often unfairly feared, are not the mindless hunters of myth. They are selective, targeting the weak and the sick, ensuring the health and vitality of the fish populations they prey upon. Their presence, a vital force maintaining the delicate equilibrium of this underwater metropolis. It's a reminder that every creature, large or small, plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of life that thrives on these reefs. Coral reefs, these vibrant underwater cities, are facing a multitude of threats. Climate change, with its rising sea temperatures, is causing widespread coral bleaching. Pollution from coastal development and agricultural runoff is smothering these delicate ecosystems. Overfishing, driven by demand for seafood, is decimating fish populations, disrupting the delicate balance of the reef. Destructive fishing practices like dynamite fishing leave behind a trail of devastation, shattering the coral and killing marine life indiscriminately. The situation is dire, with scientists estimating that we've already lost a significant percentage of the world's coral reefs. The future of these underwater wonderlands hangs in the balance. From the intricate lives of coral polyps to the vital role of apex predators like sharks, coral reefs are a testament to the wonders of the natural world. These underwater cities, teeming with life and color, are a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. But they are under threat. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are pushing these delicate ecosystems to the brink. It is our responsibility as stewards of this planet to protect them. Support conservation organizations, reduce your carbon footprint, and make sustainable seafood choices. Let us all do our part to ensure that these underwater wonderlands continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our natural world. See you next time.